Ladies and gentlemen, my chessboard has arrived. Yes, I ordered a chessboard from the chess house, and I know I haven't been making videos, and I told you I was going to give you a video about, yes, I'm over here by the way, about my chess games at the chess club, but as you know, my last video, it seems when I make a long recording on the OBS software, it starts to die. So I stopped making them. Hopefully this video will be a short one. However, as I turned on this software, it updated itself. So maybe I should test that problem, see if it went away with the update. In any case, I ordered a chessboard. My first real, $95 chessboard from the chess house. I think it's 2¼ inch squares. So let's open it up and see what we got. So this is going to be as the title is. I'm going to make the title unboxing of my new chessboard. Let's carefully open it without scratching anything inside. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Here we go. Oh, peanuts. We got peanuts. We got styrofoam peanuts. Well, I hate those things. Well, let's see if we could back it up a little bit and try to keep the peanuts in the box. Oh, yes. This looks, let me see. Is that too bright? Perhaps I should shut the light off. Let me see, if I shut this light off, how would it look? Let me put some backlight on. That's a little better. Alright, so I can see the chessboard underneath of these peanuts. So let's see if I can just get this box, inside the box, out without getting the peanuts, all over the place. They certainly packed it well. There we go. Nice. Okay. Big box with lots of styrofoam packing for this smaller box. Sorry, I hit the microphone. So let's go ahead and just transfer this over here for a moment. Get rid of the peanut box. Yeah, I know I'm a little bit far away from the microphone. Sorry about that. But let's just get rid of this peanut box. And we'll see what we got. Hopefully it'll be just the right color and board size. Let me speak a little closer to the mic here. Hopefully it'll be just the right color and board size for my old-time large chess set that resembles, not quite exactly, but resembles the Sinkfield Cup set. I'm going to see if I can pull this microphone close enough to, I don't know if that'll work. Okay. So here it is. 21.5. It's a walnut 21.5 wooden chessboard with coordinates. Okay, there's my thing. Okay, and this is what it looks like in the box. Okay, my first real professional chessboard. It opens up like this. Very, very nice. Let's take this out. I like it. I like it. Me likey. Okay, close this back up. Give that box a toss. And put the board down. Alright. Let's go ahead and move this microphone now. Let me see if this glare would disappear. If I take the plastic off. Okay, let me see. Okay, let's turn it upside down. Nice piece of wood. You can see how the kind of wood they use. Let's undo that. And what I'll do is I'll set up the pieces that I got the board for. Well, I mean, I got the board for many other pieces. I mean, I got so many chess sets that... Okay. Yes, the shine is a little bit gone. The glare, I mean. So I'm going to put this way. I'm going to put it this way so that when I set up the pieces on it, we'll see what it looks like. Okay, let me go get the chess pieces. I had featured some of these chess sets of mine and everything on older videos. I don't know if you could still find them. This is the set that I got, I don't know, could be over a decade ago, with the 4 1/4 inch or 4 1/8 inch king. It's a large king, and it's the set that I always said that it resembled the Sinkfield set. You know, the set that they use in the they just used in the U.S. Chess Championship. Of course, the knights are different, but the rooks and things like that, they look very, very, very similar to the Sinkfield set. And this set only cost me $70 10 or 15 or so years ago. I had gotten it off of eBay. I think they sold out of Canada. Okay, so let's let me see. This is the white side. So we're going to do this. We're going to set the set up. Set the set up. This goes here. Here. I can see, as you can see, it is slightly crowded, slightly. This is a very large set. Well, it's a large set. The base on this is, you know, the kings are big enough to make it look a little on the crowded side, but not the entire set. So it's actually perfect. I mean, I'm one of those people that like a little extra space between, you know, on the sides of the you know, around the piece on the square. But you know, I'm kind of far away from the microphone. Let me see if I can bring this closer. Yeah, I'm one of those people that look like a little extra space. But considering that most of the pieces are smaller base than the king, I think this is perfect. I really, really am glad I got this walnut. I wasn't looking really specifically for walnut, but it was what they had available. A lot of the other woods on chessboards have a habit of blending too closely to the color of the pieces, and this has some contrast. The pieces, as you can see, I don't know if you can see actually, the camera light and everything else has a habit of showing slightly different color than the actual reality. But from the live point of view, for me, the pieces have a reddish tinge to them, as opposed to the walnut being completely brown. So there is a good contrast there. So like I said, I don't know if you can see that on this camera, because it has a habit of... I'm not crazy about the white. The white is a bit yellowish to me, but that's okay. It's my first real brand new chessboard. Nothing that I make or painted or threw together with whatever. This is a chessboard that I purchased. Okay. And that's what it looks like. Let me see if I can find a way to get some of the glare out of this. Perhaps if I pick up the camera and carefully bring it closer. holding it in freehand here. I'm trying to okay. The wire is stopping me. I see there's something on top of the wire. Okay, let's try that. Okay, that's much better. Okay, here we go. So, yeah, I'm holding it freehand, so you have to excuse the shakiness. And there it is, my new chessboard. With my old chess pieces on top. Let's see if I could not bad. Not bad at all. That is very nice. Okay, I just found my new favorite chessboard. Yeah, because it's brand new. It's the first brand new chessboard I ever had. I mean, $95 is a piece of change for me. So, I mean, certainly there are chessboards that cost $300 and $400 and more dollars. For me, the splurge of $95 was actually a good chunk. So, I'm not going to go any further than that. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. And I usually say welcome my YouTube subscribers and fans. I didn't do that this time, but I was so excited with my chessboard that I forgot to mention that. Okay, so there it is, my new chessboard. Thank you for watching. I'm going to take the chess piece box out of my way so that I could sit down and click the stop button. But there you have it. And let me just move this and move this. I have some kind of filler to do this here. I was supposed to click stop a long time ago, but anyway. Thanks for watching. And thank you for subscribing if you have. Now we find the click button, the stop button to click.